So the dogs broke this cable, so I'm gonna try to restore it again. This is a speaker charger. Wait, let me adjust a little bit. This is so wrecked. But it should be an easy fix. I'm gonna lock the exposure. Again, I'll do the same with the other part. Oh, what's wrong with the other one, with its end? Are they tangled inside? Okay, looks good. No big problem. So I'm gonna use this to trim the edge of the cables. Okay, which one's the best? I think this one. Just that simple. This hole was the best. Okay. Again. Okay. I got it. I'll expose more copper and move to this one. Okay, one more time. Okay, I have to move to a smaller hole because this didn't do it. Okay. This one. Now this one. Easy peasy. Right back, I'm gonna take my electrical tape. Okay, by the way, if you have this kind of connector, you shouldn't be using this, because this connector gets so hot so quickly. Yes, I know it's so easy, it's very easy to use. You just snap it in, snap, just as easy as this. Just snap it in like this. I've tried this one. It gets so hot that the plastic melted. I recommend you guys to use this if the cable is not carrying too much ampere. Just so easy, just like that, easy. But this quick connector isn't reliable, so throw that away. And by connecting it directly like so. Okay, let me lock the exposure one more time. If you connect it like so, and then wrap an electrical tape around them, this is the best method anywhere you can find, because this method is just the most powerful one. This really carries. I mean, there's not too much heat. There's not too much heat, because in this plate, it's just a very thin aluminum to transfer such big voltage. Yeah, if you overflow with too much ampere, it's gonna melt the plastic. So the pair should be like this. This to that one, and this one to over there. Okay. Let's pull this into two sections. I think I need more exposure to this cable. And to this one too. So split the two sections. Like so. And anyway, never mind. Okay. Okay. Do it like this and twist. Twist. If you want a nice look to its end, to the tip, I mean, you can cut it, so this will look much better. again to the other edge. So I need to expose more copper on this one, this wire. Split it again. Like so, and then put it on top of each other, then twist. And we want to cut the tip. Oops, sorry. Okay, this looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna isolate each wire. Okay, I'm almost finished. If it's done like so, now it's time to wrap them together. Okay, where was the edge? And cut. Okay, wrap upward. Not bad. Now it's time for test. Okay, so here is the speaker. It's a Sony speaker, and this is the charger port. Okay, and this is the charger that I just fixed. Now I'm gonna plug into the power source. Wait. Okay.
Inju, kok kamu di luar? Inju boy. Nih. Kamu ada ini.
Will it work? Okay, moment of truth. Okay, it's charging. Thank God. Oh, good job.
Where's my car key, boo?